Say hello to the Savant by HHHunt Homes, a thoughtfully designed home that combines smart design, stylish finishes, and flexible living spaces. With up to 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, this single-family home offers everyday convenience wrapped up in undeniable charm. Step through the front door and you're greeted by a versatile flex room just off the foyer. Whether you envision a home office, a cozy sitting area, or an optional bedroom, this space adapts to your lifestyle. As you continue into the heart of the home, you'll find a spacious kitchen featuring a large island and walk-in pantry. Perfect for quick midday meals or weekend entertaining. Just beyond the kitchen, a bright nook and a welcoming family room come together in an open concept layout that makes gathering feel effortless. One of the standout features of the Savant is the luxurious first-floor primary suite. Tucked away in its own corner, this stunning bedroom includes its own private bathroom and a generously sized walk-in closet. Also on the first floor, you'll find a laundry room, a half bath, and a 2-car garage, all designed to make daily living easier. Head upstairs to discover a spacious loft area at the top of the stairs, perfect for a reading nook, game zone, or anything in between. With 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, extra storage, and an attic. The second floor offers room to relax, recharge, and enjoy time with guests. And with exciting customization options available like a fireplace, a morning room, or covered porch, you can make the Savant truly your own. The Savant is a beautifully crafted home designed with you in mind. Ready to see more? Contact us at HHHunt Homes, and let's bring your dream to life. Because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.